Hey, what's up, guys?
Hello.
Attackers incoming. 30 seconds.
Setting up top.
Use my teleporter if you. Oh, you guys are good.
Remember, it's on the left. He's one. Eva diving. I'm dropping. Nice pick.
I need help with this, Ryan.
Alpha is on the point if you need it.
Ryan's out of position. Watch for the junk trap. It's midpoint.
I need heals. On the left.
Huge. I've got wall, so we can stall in point if you want. You want? I don't know if we should go for it. Probably not. Sombra, do you want to? Oof. Dick, why, you were on point. I thought you were gonna ult. I'm not trying to insult you.
Let me go first. Let me go closer.
Nice job, guys.
This.
Use my teleporter. Monkey on me, any help? Hanzo one in the back.
Our back or their back?
They're back, my bad.
You help on point.
You got turrets on point.
Still on me.
Nice in. That's great.
versus Anti. Huge bomb. Eva, your bombs are on point. Good job.
I'm trying to hide on the Winston bubble when it died.
They have a big number.
You didn't have to use EMP.
Yeah, we're gonna have that for the next push. Might be going right. Watch for a flank.
Yep, right side behind us.
Stall it with the wall. We're gonna lose point anyways, then, so just die.
Back out if you can. They have McCree now. Watch for the stun. I think we need more damage.
We're gonna dive point in a minute. We gotta stop it at some point. This Ryan. Hey, pocketed real quick. Get this Ryan.
Wall.
Break,
They have a Zarya.
break, break, break.
Right behind us.
Hanzo behind. He's on the end help. Good job, guys. We held it.
I'm gonna hide right here.
Yep, get ready for the wall.
Nice.
This big Sombra, that's huge.
Thanks. I might need this later.
Alright, they're in the
Yeah,
room.
Zarya's
Here.
on the right here.
I'm gonna trap her. Zarya.
Nice.
Ryan's still extended now.
He's frozen.
No more ults, no more ults.
Need help, they're on me. They're coming main.
Two fist fight.
Brig on me, need help. Dan, you're quiet as fuck. Drop down to bronze.
Good job.
Oh. That's a rip. Good job, guys.
Everyone's on fire.
Yo, you guys want to go for a left side telly? It's really effective. What we do is we go through the left room. Sim puts up a telly. We go straight to point. It always throws them off.
Sure, let's go.
Try it. Maybe a Ryan would be better than so we can start swinging as soon as we get on.
And
Yeah,
just
Ryan
in
is
case-
good. Also for a second DPS, Reaper, Doomfist, stuff like that is very good. I'm sure Sombra will probably work, but it's better with a Reaper and whatnot.
Alright, group up left.
Let's group up. Let's do this.
Sombra try to attack someone once we get there. Okay.
Yeah, Sombra, if you could hack their shield, that would be huge.
Get out of. We need to go a little farther. A little farther. Ready to take TP? Take it. Take it.
I'm taking the objective.
Mercy's low. There we go.
Diva's over here.
Still alive.
She's not on point. Just let her stay over there. Don't kill her.
I should definitely play an NA more. If I try and play Sim on EU, people flame. Here at NA, people give it a chance. We had a whole Sombra, Maze, Sim. Like, what the hell is this?
Thank you, dude.
Salty. Good job, guys. Don't have a shield. Good ball, Sim.
When that still goes on, they're probably gonna shot, so be careful.
Bomb.
That Ryan.
Ryan's out of position so we can get him. Nice job.
Push him.
Doomfist on me. Green Brig are near points and Mercy. Dude, just get him.
Mercy one.
Good job.
Diva up top. We can stagger her again. Don't kill her. Poor Diva.
Where'd she go?
Can you get back from there? Okay, that works.
Alright, huge stagger.
Yeah, that was great. Use my teleporter for high ground if you want it. Mercy one, in the back.
Right now, watch for that.
Oh, I used it a little too late.
All good. Yeah, let's regroup. We're gonna have EMP shatter.
Okay, that's good. Watch out for the pharmacy though, because they won't be in
You
the
gotta
shop.
do something about that, Pharaoh.
It's okay, we can just
Me?
do shatter
Sure.
bomb or EMP bomb.
Group up. Shatter bomb is good.
We don't need
Bomb first and then
Yeah, I'll bomb behind the Ryan. Ready?
Wait. Never mind, just go, just go.
go.
Oh fudge! Hang on, I got stunned.
I got charged.
They have revived.
It's okay, we didn't use anything.
Group up.
Yeah, we didn't use anything, we're fine.
Alright, cool.
The payload's not doing much good sitting there.
So ready for
Bomb,
EMP.
EMP, and Shatter. That'll win us this point for sure.
Way.
Huge, there it is. Bomb shield.
GG.
Good fucking game.
Play of the game.
Yo, great job on fucking healing Siren, that's insane.
Thank you.